If you've ever thought about getting tape-in extensions, this is everything you need to know. My name is Sarah Rivera, and today I'm bringing you with me to my tape-in appointment because I had so many questions before getting this done. Tape-ins are so expensive, so this is the step-by-step process if you have natural 4C hair. On a side note, guys, this process looked very simple, so I think I will film another video of me reinstalling my tape-ins on my own. I don't know, am I delusional? But I think it seems simple. So when I walked in, my hair had so much product in it. I hadn't washed my hair for about 2 weeks, guys. Yeah, it was really bad. But you obviously have to start with clean hair, so here we go. So she just washed my hair, and I couldn't wash my hair for like 2 weeks before that. I had literally edge booster, so it took a while to watch, and then she did some treatments for me. But yeah, I'm so excited. Step 2 is all about making sure that your natural hair blends in with the tape-ins. I want to say this process took about at least an hour because my hair is natural. It's never been permed, relaxed, or anything. These are the locks, guys. I was so scared when she showed me the blonde. I was like, no girl, this is way too bright of a color. The texture is perfect. It is a yaki straight, and it actually matched my hair really well. We're doing a faux highlight look, so we're going to be blending these colors so it's a lot more subtle. I'm so excited. So I let her know that I want to be able to do half up, half down because I feel like that's the signature look. And then we're going to do a middle part. I'm excited, guys. I was actually really scared when I first saw the blonde, but I'm like, you know what? I think this is as bright as I wanted it to be.
Yeah, and it's super, you know what it is? This chunk just chilling here is definitely gonna look more vibrant, but once all the hair's together, it's very subtle.
That is so crazy.
Pretty.
I love it already. I'm obsessed.
Okay.
We have more hair in. I was just telling you, I would walk out like this and be happy. But we always have to add a little bit more and blend. Okay guys, so I ordered a shawarma small plate, but it's only just fries and a shawarma. This is our lunch. We're still working on it. The hardest part for me was deciding if I wanted blonde in the front, and this is what I decided. Let's do the blonde.
Blonde?
Yeah, something about it. And it's crazy because I was about to cancel on the blonde too.
I know. Could you imagine? Now it's, I want it right in my face.
Right?
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
It looks good.
She's cutting the hair. I'm more worried about you cutting the fake hair than my real hair. So I'm like, I paid for that. Don't cut it.
This is so light. This is so slight. When I tell you with the curls is gonna be super. The curls is gonna give more of a look down here. All right, I'm gonna start here.
Okay.
Later down the road, we can show
I hate that sound. Believe it or not, I actually let her take complete creative control on how I looked in the end because I feel like as a stylist, you know what looks best. I was still low-key kind of scared because she's like, don't worry, like I know what you want, but she always made sure to ask me, are you okay with this? Are you okay with that? No, seriously, this is like, I'm ready to be on camera.
all of that good stuff.
Wow, maybe I might go out tonight. This was also a really impulsive decision on my end, guys, because I usually always do frontals, ponytails, everything. But I just wanted something completely different. But this is your sign to definitely try it out, guys. Like, I don't know what I would do without these tape-ins. I actually want to get them reinstalled, but it's definitely an investment. And also, I kind of feel like when you get tape-ins, you have to be on top of your A game. Like, you can't be lazy. Make sure you also find a really good stylist who also caters to people of your hair texture. I feel like this is probably the most important part, guys.
Just like that. Cute, and then the other one.
This is what the final product looked like, and this lasted me for about 2 months, guys, with one maintenance appointment in between. We're done. This is the final product. After getting this done and also going in for a maintenance appointment, I genuinely believe that I can do this by myself. I am going to try buying all the products again. I still have the hair, but just in terms of like the tape, the clamp, whatever it is that I need to do. If you guys have ever tried it or think if this is like a mistake, let me know. But I definitely think I am just gonna try and take one for the team because, girl, like I said, like this is expensive. This brings us to the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.